Hello, this video is for Action Game Kit with the RPG, and it will be about weapons, how to correctly prepare weapons using the editors. So I will open Window, RPG menu and Weapon. I will select the rifle that is for player, bot rifle is for enemy. There is only slight difference between these two settings, but it's on you how you will have it in your game. You can have it same weapon and only using scale if the player has advantage using the player. So for example, his weapon will be 5 times stronger than enemy weapon. So there is settings for weapon. First is a damage, it's I think quite clear. Now is the section melee or range. Now we will stay for range. Melee is supported, but it's hard to show because I don't have hands animation with hands with a melee attack animation. So I used in on the some sort of hand that I cannot publish. So now is a projectile. I will skip it for now. I will prepare another video for it because it's very important. I will show you how it works. Speed of that bullet, how many bullets will be fired. So when I will use, for example, 5 for shotgun, it will be damage. Total damage will be 10 to 10 if you will use this. Maximum range is quite obvious. Now is new section ammo. So if that weapon need ammo, so there is ammo for weapon. It's a item defined in item section. So there is ammo for weapon. It's only simple settings, and there is that you can have maximum 1000. This item, strange, stupid name, but you can have 1000 items in one stack. So it's only just for as a beer information for that weapon. It has nothing special. As you can see that that item doesn't have only special. It's only icon, path, and nothing else. Everything else is configured in the weapon section. Now is a fire mode. It's how it will be shot, how will be fired the weapon. Recoil is for camera effect shaking, so when you will fire it will make some shake shake with the camera, shake with the weapon. Gun effect is used, for example, when you will fire, that will be displayed for short time, for really for example for 0.4 or 3, it's on you. Some sort of effect, some game object that will be attached to weapon, so some model effect or point light or more. So if you have grouped together, aiming variable is for how accurate will be weapon during the fire mode, and aim mode is when you hold right mouse button, that if that weapon has right mouse button mode as aiming, so it will be more accuracy. So in this mode you can define some scope texture. So for example, for sniper rifles, aiming speed is how fast will weapon move to the current position, to the center position. Usually in modern action games are weapons located on the right side of the screen, and when you hold right mouse button it will move to the center of the screen. So this will define how fast it will be done. Camera field of view is determining how will be change angle of the camera. So if you use, for example, sniper rifle, you will use angle much lower. If you are using some, for example, pistol, you have 50. It's on you. Aim error aimed is how accurate will be weapon in in this aimbot mode. So for example, for the sniper rifle, it's important to know that greater number, more inaccurate that weapon will be. So for sniper rifle, I recommend you 0. So in the right in aimbot mode, that sniper rifle will be 100% accurate. Camera distance is how far will be moved that camera, and what is more important is a position of that gun when you will move it from the right side to the middle of that screen, if you will use that effect. If you don't want to use it, just keep this vector blank and it's done. Then is clip size, if you are using clip, of course, how long it will take reload. Maximum ammo is the only difference, it is used only for bot. So when the game will start, bot will have 1500 bullets. Pre-fire speed, after fire speed, how long it will take before you will shoot one bullet, one projectile, and how long it will take after to finish that whole process. So for example, for sniper rifle you will have settings something like this, because you can fast shoot, but it longs time to reload. It's not reload time, but that one shooting process for one bullet. And for rocket launcher you will have something like that 3 seconds takes to prepare shooting, and then you will shoot. Sound fire distance is how far will be heard by bots this shooting, and this is for sounds related past. So when you will shoot and you want to have some sounds, you must enter some. Here for example you will have something like that. Okay, this is first video and I will finish it later in the second video.